Million people come to Jamaica and drive out to the conductor. Million people come to Jamaica and drive out to the conductor.
It's the eye to the people there of Houston, Texas. Is a greater than my land, living legend, secretary land. From the whole of you see me, one great love and joy to have you. It's a pleasure and honor. Let me hand over the mic to you and you deal with it. Your style. Glory to glory.
Give you my story. I'm going to go over here. Glory! Blessed love. We're starting this now. Yeah. So I'm sorry. Don't know. I don't think I let it out and leave the island without me. I let it out and leave the island without me. You overload by me, that we need shop. Extra the chemical contest that you overload by me. And the street donkey, and that with me. You overload by me, that we need shop. The monkey out, and the people are with me. And they moving on the ho-ho, and they moving on the ho-ho, and who I regard to eat that meat, the time to bright, and I say, you about the man. Yeah, I will tell my friends that eat that meat, and people say what, later stick, later down, I want to take the children, eat the butter, the price of it, eating me because it's coming at it. I really know, say I'm leaving at it, now I'm doing back in, I ain't having the cook, that I don't look garden, so I'll create the life from money people, but I don't say, I don't say, heartily, I like it, I don't want to think we eat it, I don't say, I don't say, heartily, I don't no doubt to meet it, I don't say, I don't say, heartily, I don't no doubt to meet, one way cause to eat dog meat, someone jump right, you know, see, you know, out the man. Yeah, that we tell my friends they eat dog meat. Some people say what? It ain't that thing. It ain't that you guys kitchen away. Eat the butter with the price of it. Eat the beef because it's coming at it. I mean, no, say I'm eating nothing. Never drink that kill. I ain't that for being just push. That I should up darling. Someone can do lots of funny things. But I'll say, heartily. And I eat and I don't want to think we eat. I will say, I say, heartily, I know, the donkey meat. I will say, I say, heartily, I know, the donkey meat. What do I call to eat dog meat? Someone jump right in the seat, you know about the man. Yeah, that means who tell my friends they eat dog meat. Some people say what? But it's a thing. But I turn down a house to that kitchen with it. Down the butter with fertilizer in the eating me because it's coming at it. I really know say I'm eating nothing. You're sweet talking. I ain't talking in campus. That I show up darling. So we'll give you lots of falling things. But I don't say, heartily. I'm not eating me, I don't want to think we eat. But I don't want to go. I don't million people come to Jamaica and drive out to the conductor. Million people come to Jamaica and drive out to the conductor. Wherever is that goes on. Now come go. Wherever is that goes on. I don't know. So far it's great, never done. the child was gone. I'm down, the child was gone. I love her. Help me one small one, big size one. It's not one, it's all $250,000. Don't feel no way. I am wrong. You are wrong. I'm wrong. The people wrong. I am wrong. Let's go. In a moment I'm going wrong. I'll take a restaurant, you know they're not good. And then I'm walking without a thing. I turn on stop. Let's go start that. Here I go start. I don't believe you're married. Me bounce can you think of my own? What's wrong? And I say, don't feel no way. Come on, sit up. I have a love with my mom, African mama land. The people's own. I have a love with the land. In a mother land, that's called Nagaro. I'll take a restaurant, you know, them nothing. And then I'm book and reach out at him. I turn out to be a book and the thing, this back and quick. The thing that thing, would have on the ground to save the pumpkin. And I'm trying to cut and blow the wind. And man do life and I'm vice with it. I have gone wrong, we're on wrong, become mama land. The people's own. I have gone wrong, we're I'm wrong. In a Babylon restaurant now, bring my education, black people under. I teach you about Europe and North America. And I teach you nothing more from Africa. Nothing about Malcolm and Martin Luther. And I teach you about Marcus Mosiah. And I teach you about the great emperor who ruled the David and the tribe of Judah. Things are back in the Almighty Father. I'm upon the land, upon the water. I saw the man make the guy surrender. When I come in and embrace and then thank God the talk to me. The man became 22 nations. Hold on together. Witness the coming of the great emperor. Rastafari, everybody follow ya. I am wrong, we want more African mama land. The people's own. I am wrong, let's go down. In a Babylon restaurant. Then say the outcome against the local power. And tell Marcus God we're rising up it. And it's up the man with greater and great. Look at now that ya, it's a good too late. As the sun look, and the don't preach it out. But the land is in every day. With us not in the air, not shed the beat. Can't tell me to my uncle to the and see it. I have found where I'm going, become mama land. The people down, I have found love with the down. In a moment, stop. Then the outcome have been said, let's go on with. And tell Marcus down where I snap it. And it's up to man where greater and great. Never know that ya, it's a good tool it. I'm taking man up, and you don't appreciate love. The land is every day this great. That's not tripling here, not tripling here. Down seven going up to prove the land straight. I have gone wrong, we've gone become mama land. The people's own. I have found love, there's a downfall. In a moment, I'm lost on my jungle. Bring my education, black people under. Not to do it, but not America. And not teach me nothing more from Africa. Nothing about Malcolm and Martin Luther. And not teach you about Marcus Mosiah. And not teach you about the great emperor. To rule the David and the tribe of Judah. In the back in the Almighty Father. Bless our place is serving. See? Yeah. So many times we live around the people in the country, and drive up, no. I said, I want to go to England. Or even to a bed. I'm gonna take you to Ochiaba, St. Tombe, and don't be no way. talk with my lady. Don't let this stop tonight. I said you wanna go to Canada. If you wanna need real flight. God give it a start. You go it. Good guys. Come down. I said you want to go to Nigga. Lord, I even to me. I'm gonna take you to a Sierra Satan Bay. I don't feel no way. Don't get a Bible for me. Lord, I just come tonight. I said you wanna go to Canada. They go on the eagle flight. And they give it up, and they give it us. And they give it us, and they give it us. And they give it us, and they give it us. And they give it us, and they give it us. You go on the girl, pick up test for skill. Walk upon a girl from Orange. It's an angel, you don't want it, just get it. It's a nice little person, it's around the restaurant. But it's around the water world. Some of the walkers and the rocket launch. Like what I said, I'm like the ghost guard. It never play tough, it never play hard. It don't mean the yard, it may not come from abroad. Say I've got to go on, silver and yes. Monk's the white woman, monk's the white man, white. Means a black, but we love everyone. And then music, business and education. Want to go to Nigga. Yeah, I remember me. Take you go to a Sierra Satan Bay. I don't feel no way. Oh, them I'm hoping it. Lord, I get stuck tonight. I said, sure, I go to Canada. You're gonna leave inside. Read up! God, you give it us, God, and you give it us. God, you give it us, God. Oh, I'm not married that die. She never left the will. Never left out that arm, cross the bill. She left too far, Ghana, cross the bill, shed it. From the mama girl out there. If they were that earth, man, they take to bill. Tell me, they want to tell it, they must make will. Tell me, they want to tell it, they must make will. Made us, they give me us, they give me us. They give me us, they give me us. They give me us, but you want to go to Nigga. Lord, I even to me. I'm gonna take you to a Sierra Satan Bay. I don't feel no way. Open the Bible for me. Lord, it is fun tonight. I take you on. See me, I said. Anyway, don't cry me now here. I'm too good now. I'm off here. Yeah. Yeah, it's on the boy now. Yeah. It's only coming down. No. Now stick on that. Oh.
We'll come again.
I'll take the ring on the roll, come to the road. I'll take the ring on the roll, come to the road. They say no is love. They don't have no conscience, and no brown paper. They say give me a shower. They say no shower. I I say pass a buckle and they get a buckle, chalwa from the corner. And everyone say the buckle, chalwa. Yes, I'm the good Tina. I am my mother, I'm so good. Tell me now what the buckle, chalwa. Yes, I'm the good Tina. I am my mother, I'm so good. You don't need no water to get that chalwa. Just a piece of cloth and a cut you to black the hair. Take me load in the ganja, take me like the chalwa. And you back the front and the chalwa, they go up and the corner. And everyone said the back of the chalwa. Yes, I'm the